Hi, I'm Dan Renicky with Unknown Media, and today I'm going to tell you how to make a photography logo. This is something that is ultimately going to be up to you and how you would like to present your logo on your work. I suggest looking at some photography online from several different photographers and look at their logos and see what you like and dislike about their logos, and then apply those principles to your own logo. I myself am not a fan of something very abstract. I prefer to use a plain, legible font that clearly reads my name. I then pick a spot in the photo that can somewhat hide my logo as to not take away from the photo itself. Another thing that you can do is find some free clip art on the internet and creatively add that to your name or company name. Allow that to simply accent your logo rather than dominate it. You aren't going to want something that will take away from your photo, but just simply highlight you as the photographer. To wrap it up, I prefer to remain keeping it simple and legible, but ultimately the decision will be up to you and how you want to represent your brand. I'm Dan Renicky. Take your best shot.